Hello everyone, I am Sonia teacher from St. Paul's High School. In last video, we have studied properties of addition and how to do horizontal addition and vertical addition. In this video, we are going to study how to solve word problems and I am going to give you all maths assignment.
Word problems. We have seen and solved problems that looks like these ones, but sometimes a problem is written out as a sentence or a story. This kind of problem is called a word problem. There are different types of word problem. Some are of addition, of subtraction, of multiplication and division. Now, how to identify that a word problem is of addition? There are some specific terms which are used in addition word problems. They are in all, altogether, total, sum, how many, etc. For example, if John has 6 chocolates and Tom has 9 chocolates, how many chocolates do they have altogether? One more example I am giving. Meena has 12 books. Her mummy gave her 5 more books. How many books did Meena have in all? So now we are going to study word problems. Our first word problem is the population of New Zealand is 3,76,045 and the population of Switzerland is 2,90,647. What is the total population of these two countries? So, first we will see the given information, that is population of New Zealand and population of Switzerland. So, according to that, we are going to write our first statement. So, our first statement is population of New Zealand is equal to 3,76,045. Second statement is population of Switzerland is equal to 2,90,647. While writing third statement, we don't have to use WH questions, that is how, what, etc. We cannot write what is the total population, so we will write therefore total population is equal to 3,76,045 plus 2,90,647. Draw the column and write ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Write down the numbers according to their place value, that is 3,76,045 and 2,90,647. And then we have to put addition sign. Now start adding from ones column, that is 5 plus 7 equals to 12. So 2 we will write and 1 we will carry to tens column. Then we will add 4 plus 4 equals to 8 plus 1 9. Then 0 plus 6 equals to 6. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. Then 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. So we will carry 1 to lakhs column. Then we will add 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 which is equal to 6. So we will write our final answer. Total population of these two places are 6,76,045 66,690. Our second word problem is a factory produced 2,73,940 toys in the first year, 26,187 toys in the second year, and 4,10,382 toys in the third year. What is the total production of the factory in 3 years? Now, according to the given information, we are going to write statements. So, we will write our first statement. Number of toys produced in the first year, 2,73,940. Second statement will be number of toys produced in second year, which is equal to 26,187. Third statement will be number of toys produced in third year, which is equal to 4,10,382. Now we have to find out total production of the factory in 3 years. So we are going to add all these three numbers. So we are going to write our fourth statement as total number of toys produced in 3 years, which is equal to 2,73,940 plus 26,187 plus 4,10,382. So we will draw the columns and write ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 and lakh. Now we will write numbers according to their place value. 2,73,940. Now we have to be careful while writing second number. It's 26,187. It's a 5-digit number. So we cannot write from lakhs place. We have to write it from 10,000s place. So we will write 26,187. Then 4,10,382. Then we have to put addition sign. So we have to add from ones column 0 plus 7 plus 2, which is equals to 9. So we'll write 9. Then 4 plus 8 plus 8, which is equals to 20. So 0 we will write in tens column and 2 we will carry to 100 column. 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus 3, which is equal to 15. So 5 will write in 100 columns and will carry 1 to thousands column. Then 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0, which is equal to 10. So 0 we will write to thousands column and 1 we will carry to 10,000s column. Now add 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 11. So 1 we will write to 10,000 column and 1 we will carry to lakh column. Then 1 plus 2 plus 4, which is equal to 7. Then we will write 7 to lakh column. So our final answer is the total production of the factory in 3 years is 7,10,509. In this topic we have studied properties of addition, horizontal and vertical addition of 6-digit numbers, and how to solve word problems. So children, practice this topic and I am going to give you all small assignment to solve. Question number 1, fill in the blanks. First one, 3,70,417 plus 0, which is equal to dash. Second one, in bracket 2,131 plus 8,152 plus 3,986, which is equal to, in bracket, 3,986 plus dash plus 2,131. Third one, 6,99,275 plus 1, which is equal to dash. Fourth one, 41,239 plus 61,288, which is equal to 61,288 plus dash. Fifth one added to a number gives the dash of the number as the sum. Question number 2. Solve the following by writing the sum in words. First one, 1,83,470 plus 2,81,693. Second one, 2,41,136 plus 6,38,740. Third one, 2,83,763 plus 6,59,321. Fourth one, 3,33,520 plus 50,426. Question number 3. Add horizontally. First one, 9,20,521 plus 36,101. Second one, 1,50,325 plus 3,41,623. Third one, 4,01,836 plus 2,85,103. Question number 4. Word problems. First one, if a number 9,37,408 is added to 3,26,489, what is the sum of two numbers? Second one, the population of town A is 7,24,601 and the population of town B is 1,37,693. Find the total population.
I hope you have understood how to solve word problems. Complete your maths assignment. Take care. Bye-bye.